Hello, everyone's my beloved brother and sister. Um, Today, I want to come and read for you about the Bible. As the topic is "Do not resist an evil person." When you meet a love, be edo, no, be edo he particularly so she made a love with the mala, no. Do not resist an impression. When I met that the miller pacropathu pathala, patamopulom, when I can create attack at two look at two palmano, there's Jesus talk about. No, Jesus talk about this meaning about that. Okay, when I big Pagate mala paini, no, Pagate mala Matthew chapter 5 verse 39. Now when I Pagate Matthew said do yes put the sequi petitopunum no sig to wedi long. Devara delay now, but I tell you, do not resist an evil person. If anyone now strikes you on the right chest, turn to him the other also. Pagate mala Pame paini Devara mimi yeda e yesibatu to the trosser ta erdigi, no, Pagate ma trosser ta erdigimo, Devara dinamo. Me pola a den bo a twedagane, hakone or a way to call key. Now put down for me den bopa le put down mala a twed capan more hakone or a way copper. David I didn't know. I want to meet all manora put down mala ta ermono. Ta tuta man narigine. I want to meet all ta sitak to one alone. Kane pekle qua ta. จะมีเลยกระตุตาละปัวเลยพระเจ้ามุปุ่มเนาะเพื่อเทวดาเลยลีกระตุดูก็ปุ่นในสิเวดามนุษย์ที่มีเลยเปิกเลยก็ก็เพื่อเนาะลีกระตุดูก็ปุ่นในสิเวมนุษย์ที่มีเลยเนาะกระตุดูอสรุคิสิอสพุคิสิคีนี่เทวดีเลยเนาะhere is the Proverbs chapter 20 verse 22 เนาะ talk about this do not say I will pay you best for this wrong Wait for the Lord, and He will deliver you. Pagkatira mga lang na nabalo katuta, no, nabalo katuta la yikika mo, no. Our proper highs, my brothers, no. Pagkatira mga la paini, no. Pagkatira mga, no. Tira nabalo hikawa, no. Tira nabalo hikawa. Lita na kuta la paini. Likatudo paganyok ni tewe de likatudo asado. Kisi asabu kisi kini devra le yeki kata earnestly oko yuar ki do aweda kamasana no wait no pagiten ma penetera la no do not say no I will pay back for this wrong wait for the Lord and he will deliver you sidana kamasana no when it did la no ko ka sa yuwa la awe kamasana no Then quarter of a cropatu pata lebetamo puno. Penny, Pelly Romi copuni, Pecile Quaquar Sepotala, Le Romi, no romance, ne Tevrala, when a Paul written, no, he can sorrow what up a Romi put it pakimo, no, Tevra dear, no. Roman chapter 12, no, verse 17, no, Penny, Roman chapter 12, verse 17, Tevra dear. Do not repay anyone evils for evils. No, be careful not to do what is right in the eye of everybody. No, hika ta ta no. When it meet nama sukumo pechino pala na ta umupumo no. Nama sukumo pechino pala na ta umupuno. Away ni pagkita mata sinwi mano ta sinwi pain. Little me shadow. The Siki is our senior Tevda, Tutama Serta Erlota, Lerpanoragari, Tuta Agri Abala, Pakela and Menyarki, I'll pretend my own now. Huta Agri Abala Pakela Menyarki, no, then Bahuta Agri about a croweno. Then his Serta Erlota Uba, when he meet Tala, no, so. Polu quenera pa Rome put it pamano. Paid up a mala, degree to need. No, 1 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 7 and David no. First Corinthians chapter 6 verse 7 you know Tevra di lo Tevra di le no that every fact that you has lost sweet among you means you has been not completely defeated already why no not rather be wronged why not rather be cheated when it begin mala makamara no cheating sira ne meta la begin mala no begin lora no cheating and lora begin ma din no leta no ko ta ro ni ta ba lu ma ta din ni ba devada din ma no awen ni degree to a shadow no a shadow who a shadow nui ma no degree to a shadow who a shadow nui ni devada di lo no devada lo manu ti mi le pekle kwa pay to se pho ma no devada degree to a shadow who a shadow nui ni mother din ni do kegene i mima takama ole tukla the pocket lo agiri i tu no pagitena malo kulo tu ta la ko lo ba manu lo tu te do ba ta ma tu te to te lo ba le ba manu lo tu te do ba ta gu ni tu ta le no pagitena ma awen ni